I'm Nathan Ross Davis. I'm an American from the west coast of the United States, and I was teaching in Montana and moved out to the Gulf to teach at VCU Arts Qatar. That experience kind of changed the way I thought about design, and a couple opportunities came to me where people wanted graphic design for a conference that we were doing, and I was encouraged to just kind of run with it, and I did. Personal experiences, cultural context, arguments and conversations that I have with friends and colleagues and about what it means to do design in the modern era as an expat. Those sorts of things are all embedded in every project we do. One of the projects that's kind of resonant, that would be very resonant with people here, is a series of photographic zines that we've done called The Gulf Between Us. And there's 4 volumes now. The 4th one just came out. In fact, it'll be available here in the shop. And it's an open call photography zine, and it's really trying to allow everybody who wants to submit the opportunity to submit an image of what they experience or see or what they think kind of represents their life in the Gulf. And so we curate those images, and then we try to blend them together in a way that makes a non-hierarchical fabric of a cultural space. And I think it's working pretty well, and it would be cool if people would check it out and then submit. You know, we have students who submit, young people who submit, we have amateurs, we have professionals, we have designers and artists, and they're all kind of on a level playing field within the publication. Well, it's cool. You can see things that I've seen things that I've seen in Sri Lanka here, which is cool, and then I see things that I would only find here. We all promote our stuff on social media as we're doing, and that has its value, but the opportunity to hold an object that was crafted or that had a lot of care put into it, a lot of thought put into it, is a real opportunity. I mean, you go to the Biennale and you see the work and it's amazing, but you can take home some of this and make that a part of the way that you curate your space, your life.